So I know you're thinking, why should I be ditching my vision care plan? Well, let me tell you, there are plenty of reasons as to why you want to consider ditching your vision care plan. But we at Zionsville Eye Care started last year a pilot program with our new plan, Eagle Eyes Vision Plan. And I can tell you from our patients' response so far, it's something that everyone in your family, as well as your kids, may find some significant benefit in. So in this video, we're going to explain to you a little bit more about that and how we can help you potentially save money and certainly offer some better services. So here's the problem. Vision insurance plans started out as an incredibly cool tool to pair patients and doctors. The most popular vision plan in the country actually started out finding out exactly what doctors' offices were doing, how well they were treating patients before they'd even allow them on panel. Well, here's what's changed. Everything's changed. The frame manufacturers are owned by the insurance companies. The lens manufacturers are owned by the insurance companies in many ways. Even the retail outlets that you oftentimes can find yourself involved with are actually owned by the insurance companies. And this has done everything except allow you more opportunity and lower costs. It's actually created more complexity in the system than ever, and usually results in patients not having any idea what they're paying on an annual basis for their eye vision care services. Most of you probably have a small amount deducted from your paycheck each paycheck that you may or may not realize adds up to a significant cost over the course of the year. You then come in, and we're blessed to get to see you here, and you have an additional out-of-pocket copay to see us, usually an additional out-of-pocket for some more advanced screening tools like OphtMap. And then the formulas for finding out what you may owe to purchase a pair of glasses are so complicated, we have to retrain our staff almost every other week on how to actually figure them out. So we believe there is a much more simple, easy solution that we've helped create that hopefully saves you money, helps you understand what you're actually paying for, and creates a much simpler, more affordable, better solution for you. So our new Eagle Eyes Vision Care Plan is a single payment for you, your family, and your kids. And with that, what you're going to receive is an annual eye health exam, just like you've come used to experiencing at Zionsville Eye Care every single year. But included is your refraction, that's the part where we check out your glasses prescription, and the OphtMap technology, which historically you've had to pay out of pocket for. So all three of those services are included. You're in addition going to get 25% off any contact lens fitting services through our traditional contact lens setup programs. You're also going to receive on an annual supply of single-use lenses, one of your 8 boxes absolutely free. We've added a new benefit this year where you're going to additionally get to receive 10% off any of our retail products. That includes our vitamins, supplements, brooder masks, all the things that we do to help make your eye and vision care experience throughout the entire year better. So I think you're going to find this is going to be a really good, easy, simple solution for you and your family.
Let's compare plans. With a standard vision plan, you pay $188.25 annually through monthly premiums, $15 for an eye exam, $39 for an ophthalmic, $80 on frames, $25 on material copay, $175 for progressive lenses, $47 for lightweight lenses, and $101 for non-glare UV lenses, coming out to about $482 a year. With Eagle Eyes, you pay $175 annually, $0 for an exam, $0 for ophthalmic, $150 for frames, $0 for material copay, $191.40 for progressive lenses, $39 for lightweight lenses, and $92.40 for non-glare UV lenses, coming out to about $472.80 a year. The savings really add up when you use Eagle Eyes to purchase a second or third pair of glasses, which would not be covered at all by a standard plan, but do receive the Eagle Eyes discount.
If you're not sure about this program, and you want to know a little bit more specifically from somebody who's been dealing directly with patients who've experienced it so far, please take a listen to Renee. She's our lead buyer and lead optician here for Zionsville Eye Care, and she will give you all the nuts and bolts about how our patients experienced it so far this last year and how much it can benefit for you.
When I started in optical, which was over 30 years ago, I started out in a boutique. We took no insurance. Didn't understand it, didn't have to. Moved to Indiana, and I had to learn insurance. And at first I thought, this is so amazing. This brings people into your office. It was a smaller office. They buy glasses. Their kids get to buy glasses. And it was good in its day. Then when I would get the checks in, and I was like, well, wait a minute. I paid this for this frame and I only got this back. This is getting kind of tough. And then you would always have the you're not eligible, you have to come back in 3 weeks because we can't service this, we can't give you this. So when we started the plan, this particular plan, we got really excited because I don't have to do the math. I don't have to tell you you owe me or I owe you. A lot of the plans, I think, as Dr. Garn mentioned, are telling us what frames we can sell you, what type of lenses, that we have to use labs that are inferior that we would never use under our own pretense. They send us the glasses and say, nope, they're good enough, they're close enough. And that to us was the kind of stuff that you would buy online. We take pride, we choose our labs carefully. We have an in-house lab, very, very particular. We have 6 opticians on staff with over 25 years experience. We're not all perfect, but we know what we do and we're trying to do it. So this allows us to keep it all in-house, to give you the best quality, the newer fashions and lenses that can work for you. So when I sit down with a patient and I see that's what they have, I'm like relieved. I'm like, let's go for it. It's unlimited, 40% off anytime you want. So if you sign up this year and you just got your exam in November, you can come in January 2nd and get glasses. You can come back in November, get your exam and buy more glasses. Sometimes you just want a lens, maybe your sunglasses. You still get the 40% off. So that value never stops. Knowing that your exam part's already paid for, often if you sit down with me with your vision plan, let's just say your benefits, everything was $1,000, you're still giving me $500. You forgot that maybe you gave your vision plan another $400. So really you're still paying $900 to get everything done. Here, you're done and you're unlimited. It is wonderful for anybody, an entrepreneur, an early retiree that thinks they don't have options, that they have to just pay everything out of pocket, and it gives them a really good, a good avenue to be able to get their exam and eyewear at a wonderful place.
We know that this plan may not be the perfect fit for everybody. If you get the advantage of not having to pay any out-of-pocket for your eye and vision care, this may not be the program for you, but we'd love for you to take the opportunity to really analyze what your costs are. Compare it to this program. Find out if this may be a better opportunity for you, because we definitely know it's got more convenience and certainly more simplicity involved with it. We're going to be opening up enrollment starting October 1st, and we're generally closing it October 31st, but don't get mad at us. We're going to give a little wiggle room there for people we didn't necessarily offer last year. The key is signing up by October 31st does not require payment. We're just asking for payment by the end of the year, December 31st. That gives you a couple months to be sure you're comfortable with the program, make sure you can afford to pay for it, and get yourself all signed up. So we're looking forward to meeting you guys, seeing you again, getting you signed up, hopefully explaining more of this. We're gonna be open for questions. You can check out our website. Just go to zicare.com, click on Eagle Eyes Vision Plan, and you'll see all the details listed for you. Thanks a lot for listening. We appreciate you.